Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MongoDB Atlas for app databases, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the MongoDB Atlas website. If you already have an account, click on the login button in the upper right corner. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up first. Enter your email address and password in the provided fields. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your device. Click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will land on your MongoDB Atlas dashboard. From the dashboard, you can view your existing projects and clusters. To create a new cluster, click on the Build a Cluster button. Select your preferred cloud provider and region for the cluster. Choose your cluster tier based on your requirements. After configuring your cluster settings, click the Create Cluster button. Wait for a few moments as Atlas provisions your new cluster. Once the cluster is ready, you will see it listed on your dashboard. To access the database, click on the cluster name. In the cluster view, you will find options for connecting to the database. Click on the Connect button to proceed. Choose your preferred connection method, such as MongoDB Shell, Application, or MongoDB Compass. Follow the prompts based on the connection method you selected. Once connected, you can start managing your databases and collections. Explore the various features offered by MongoDB Atlas to enhance your app's database functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.